You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names too many struggle with, so make sure to stay tuned to become part of the community. Prerana. Prerana is how you say it. Prerana. And now you know more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.